morning. Oh boy, we're back to those ho-hum, couldn't be better, beautiful mornings. The beginning there, we did see a little bit of vapor trail left over from SpaceX rocket launch a couple hours ago, but it wasn't near as spectacular as the last time because it had time to fade. Anyway, the colors in the sky early were great, the pinks and purples and turning into golds and blues. It was gorgeous. Had a great blue heron came by to visit this morning. Ducks were a little bit elusive, trying to not get their picture taken, but ducks will be ducks. But the sunrise itself, even though there were clouds at the horizon, was a pretty nice day, and with the clouds that there were there, they certainly played off them very well. Anyway, I hope all is well with you. A little bit of ground fog this morning really didn't do much but make the blueberries look fuzzy, and but the skies and everything else and reflections were just terrific. Even some rays in the trees. You have a great day. Stay safe. Hope all is well in your world, and we'll see you real soon.